People all over the world are turning their knowledge into profit using EduZign. They've transformed their passion into thriving six-figure businesses, from a hobbyist who loves baking to a business coach who helps entrepreneurs grow their brands. EduZign has empowered thousands to share their skills and expertise in a way they never thought possible, and it can do the same for you. Whether you want to teach personal development, fitness, marketing, or something as unique as building miniature models, EduZign makes it easy for you to create, host, and sell video courses without any manual work. With EduZign, you can build your own online course empire in minutes. No tech skills, no expensive software, no hassles. The old ways of creating courses are slow, confusing, and expensive. You spend endless hours recording and editing videos, struggle with complicated setups, and often end up feeling overwhelmed. But with EduZign, you can auto-create all your course content in any niche you want with the power of built-in AI. Instantly access over 2,000 done-for-you video and ebook courses ready to sell. Set up a full-blown academy with professional landing pages in just one click. It's as easy as choosing a course topic, customizing your content, and hitting publish. In no time, your academy is live and ready to attract students from around the globe. And the best part? EduZign does all the heavy lifting for you, without wasting time on content creation from scratch, without worrying about technical setups or hosting platforms, without stressing over expensive marketing tools or hiring designers. Imagine making sales while you relax or spend time with your family. With EduZign, your courses keep selling 24/7, generating passive income while you sleep. People like you have already turned their expertise into a profitable online business. They've gone from 0 to 6 figures, all thanks to the power of EduZign. And you can teach just about anything, from mastering a new skill to exploring a passion project or even sharing your unique life experiences. EduZign not only helps you create courses, but also allows you to engage with your students through real-time chats, quizzes, and progress tracking. You can build a community of loyal learners who trust you as their go-to expert. With features like AI-generated content, ready-to-sell courses, and professional landing pages, EduZign has everything you need to build and grow your online academy. Let's take a closer look at what EduZign can do for you. Use the power of AI to automatically generate course content, titles, descriptions, and even quizzes. Simply choose your niche, and EduZign's AI does the rest, giving you high-quality, engaging material in minutes. No time to create your own course? No problem. EduZign gives you instant access to over 2,000 pre-made video and ebook courses across various niches. These courses are professionally designed and ready to sell, so you can start making money immediately. Choose from 6 beautiful mobile-friendly landing page themes to create a stunning academy website. Each theme is fully customizable, so you can add your branding, colors, and style with ease. Organize your courses with multiple sections, lessons, and interactive quizzes to keep your students engaged and learning. You can add text, videos, documents, and more to create a rich learning experience. Allow your students to chat directly with their instructors, view their progress, and stay motivated throughout their learning journey. EduZign keeps your students engaged and ensures they complete their courses successfully. Manage your academy with ease. Add public or private courses, set lifetime or limited time access, and even sell eBooks alongside your courses. With EduZign, you have full control over how your content is delivered. Accept payments from anywhere in the world with integrated gateways like PayPal and Stripe. Easily generate invoices, offer discounts with coupons, and track your revenue all within the EduZign dashboard. Reach a global audience with multilingual support. EduZign allows you to create courses in multiple languages, making it easy to connect with students from all over the world. Boost your sales with built-in marketing tools. Share your courses on social media with one click. Offer discount coupons and track your sales performance with detailed reports. EduZign helps you grow your business effortlessly. Wait, we're not done yet. With the included commercial license, you can create courses for others and charge a premium. Offer your services to clients and generate even more income, all with the power of EduZign. Charge your clients every month for setting up and managing their courses and academies in just one click. You can also charge extra for providing them with reports and data related to their students' progress and course performance using EduZign. Don't worry, this part is automated too. Nothing is to be done manually. Your EduZign Academy works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without pause, generating a steady stream of sales while you sleep or take a vacation with your family and loved ones. Try EduZign risk-free with our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like it, we'll refund every penny. No hassles, no questions asked. And of course, you can keep all the courses you've created and all the students you've enrolled in the meantime. Continue to sell your courses and make profits. There's nothing to download or install. Everything is on the web, making it easy to access and manage your academy from anywhere. So grab your copy because everything you need to create and sell online courses is inside EduZign. Grab EduZign right now and start creating and selling profitable video courses 24/7. Click the button below to get started right away.